Welcome to your newly JC accredited hospital. That's what the Guam Memorial Hospital is announcing to the public after the Joint Commission decided to award full accreditation to the facility effective July 9th. The decision was based on a week-long on-site survey conducted by the Commission back in April. During a press conference with hospital officials, Lieutenant Governor Dr. Mike Cruz says he and Governor Felix Camacho felt the pressure from the get-go to add GMH as part of the 88% of the nation's fully accredited hospitals. And after hearing acronyms for GMH stand for Get Me to Hawaii or Get Murdered Here, he believes a fully accredited hospital verifies to island residents that GMH truly stands for Great Medicine Here.
We do great medicine here, and it was a matter of making sure that the public knew that. But, sometimes it takes a certain stamp of approval, and that stamp of approval just happens to be the Joint Commission. And so we had it. The governor said, "Mike, let's go out and get that, and let's do everything we can to get it done before the end of our term." And here it is.
Senator Frank Blas Jr. was the former chairman on health in the 29th Guam legislature. He says getting $13 million a few years ago to help the hospital with improvements to comply with national patient safety and quality goals was worth it. But in the end, he feels it was the hard work of GMH employees that led them to this moment.
This was at least $13 million that was well received and well utilized, which is obvious in their obtaining the accreditation. And this is not $13 million that was spent one time. This is something that they spent on that made the improvements that will take this in the long term.
GMH Administrator Peter John Camacho also believes in great patient care at the hospital, but he adds that hard work begins now in maintaining a fully accredited facility and keeping a low turnover rate with their employees, especially if the Joint Commission is likely to pay them random visits.
We need to take a look at continuing to do what we're supposed to be doing, all of the time. The Joint Commission has this thing, and they call it CSR. Continuous survey readiness, so that anytime any surveyor comes in for whatever reason, we stand ready to say, "Here, welcome. What would you like to see?" And so we will be maintaining that.